If you're thinking about using spray paint, I have an essential quick tip that's going to change your life. I'm using these light switches to make wall art, and I'm using spray paint. When you're using spray paint, remember less is always more. You want to make sure that you have light dusting coats. And when you use Krylon, you can apply a light coat about every minute, so it goes really quickly. And you say I just went back and forth with a really quick stroke, wait about a minute, minute's done. Another light coat of this primer, and it will be ready for this Bahamacy in about 30 seconds now. Bing! Ready. It's ready for its color. And I've already shaken these cans. Light sweeping coats, just like with the primer. And no, it's not gonna look just like the can top on the first coat, but it will when you're all done. Every minute, and then it's beautiful.